quick, guys. I'm going to show you guys the AVOD system here on the 777-300. First of all, it swivels. Well, I haven't flown in coach on the 777 on Doha, so it swivels quite a bit, which is really good. I'll pull this down so you can actually see the screen. Here's their home menu. So it looks very similar to the one on the 777-200 LR, which I pretty much think it's almost the exact same system. It is, since I was in business class, I'll just show you guys how the coach one looks. This is the remote you get here. And I'll put it on the back. Similar to remote I've seen on Continental. Got the same thing. This is the same system that I have. I don't think the premium terminal is open yet. Oh wow, there's there. So yeah, it's the same system as the 777-200 LR. And they're about to serve us food, which is absolutely insane. This flight's an hour, and they're about to serve us food. Alright, there you guys have it. There's our flight from Dubai to Doha. Now, that looks just like the pilot's view.